National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for southern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, northern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, central St. Louis County, St. Louis City in east central Missouri, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over St. Anne, or over Overland, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include St. Louis, Florissant, University City, Granite City, O'Fallon, Kirkwood, Maryland Heights, East St. Louis, Hazelwood, Collinsville, Edwardsville, Webster Groves, Ferguson, Creve Coeur, Fairview Heights, Overland, Clayton, Jennings, St. Anne, and Glen Carbon. This includes the following state parks: Scott Joplin Historic Site and Horseshoe Lake State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Illinois near Exit 9. Interstate 55 in Illinois near Exit 23. Interstate 70 in Illinois near Exit 21. Exit 231. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.